morning, August. Lovely and a very hot day actually. So I just decided to fish in Southend Pier today. Any mullet, any sea bass, any mackerel. Just I'm trying for both of them. So let's see what's going on. It's Monday, not busy, not many people on a pier today. So I'm going to try different things. Bread for mullet, some regular for sea bass, favor for mackerel as well. And I'm going to stay there about 3 or 4 hours, just like that. And let's see. Not much wind. So high tide actually is about 6 o'clock evening, and the low tide is 12:30. Which one I'm going to fish in a low tide for mullet, and after that with mackerel and a sea bass. Yeah, I'm just in a sea from now, and I'll let you know. I'll let you know later on, guys. Yeah, have a nice day now, and I'll see you later. Southend Pier. The Southend Pier is open 10:15, which is first train is 10:15 actually, so I have to wait a while. I'm gonna go to the shop. So I'm in a train right now from Southend Pier to go in Ham, which I have to fish there. Yeah, I'm gonna go by little train. It's really lovely, beautiful one. Yeah, they're looking good. The water looking good. Not much wind. So I think it's going to be okay. Yeah. I'm in a pier right now, so looking good, looking really good. Yeah, it's a clean water. The water is so clean. There's not many people now because it's the first train. Yeah, I'm gonna go the fish in an end. There is quiet there. It's sunny day. It's going to be a hot day. A beautiful one. Yeah. So let's see. So first I'm starting for mullet, actually for mackerel because it's still high tide, so I think that one looking good. So the longest yeah, let's bring the lid. I believe that one is not so bad. Let me see here. that side. Still some weeds. It's nearly low tide now, actually. I should start for Mullet. Yeah. Okay. Half 2 is a low tide today. It's 1.5 actually. It's a bit hard for Mullet I'm talking about. And I think 10.22 should be any Mullet around here. I seen it last time, it was a really big size. I'm using the day flop, which is down there, and another fishing rod is a 5 hooks, macro hooks, and just white bread. Let's see now what's going on. Anyway, if I catch anything, I'll show you later on, yeah?